Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidevops. In this video, we are going to discussing about what is Ansible ad-hoc and types of ad-hoc commands. Okay, let's see the demo overview. First one, what is Ansible ad-hoc command? If you want to run single task or small task, then you can use the ad-hoc commands. Simple example, in Linux, if you want to install any software, any package, basically what we'll do, we'll be use m command, right? We can use m install git, m install httpd. We can use m install wget command. You can use m install git. Okay, we can use, right? Same thing in ad hoc commands. If you want to run single task, okay, same ad hoc commands also you can use. Example, if you want to install wget command, using ad hoc command you can install it. If you want to install git, using ad hoc command you can install it. Ad hoc command is a single one-time task. Example, if you install git in your Linux server, second time do you require to install again? No, right? It is a one-time task, right? Using ad hoc command, you can run it, you can install it. Okay. Inside the ad hoc command, we can use three ways. One is using modules and arguments. Using modules and arguments, we can install it. Particular packages, and if you want to copy from one location to another location, we can use modules and arguments, and using modules and also using arguments, we can do it. Okay, I will show you three ways how we can do, what are the options is available, how can we use ad hoc commands. Everything I will show you next video. Okay, I hope understand it. What are the main uses of ad hoc command? If you want to run single task, you can use the ad hoc command. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.